Masha is a long-haired tabby cat who doesn't have a home, but roams a neighborhood in Obninsk, Russia. She wanders the street but doesn't get in anybody's way. When Masha heard a noise coming from a box on the side of the road, she decided to investigate. What Masha found was a 3-month-old baby who had been abandoned by his parents and left in a box out in the cold Russian winter. Masha obviously had nobody to alert, so what she did next is even more incredible. She climbed into the box and kept the baby warm. The baby had only been outside for a few hours, and thanks to Masha, he was not injured by the experience, a hospital spokesman told Central European News. She is very placid and friendly, so when I heard her meowing, I thought that perhaps she had injured herself, said Obninsk resident Irina Lavrova. Normally she would have come and said hello to me. You can imagine my shock when I saw her lying in a box next to a baby. Clearly her mothering instincts had taken over and wanted to protect the child. He was well dressed with a little hat, and whoever left him here had even left a few nappies and some baby food. Once the baby was found, he was rushed to a hospital where he underwent a series of checkups and tests. The doctors said he was fit and healthy. This cat is seriously amazing. Everyone in the block is very proud of her, Lavrova said. We have all spoiled her rotten by giving her her favorite food. It's so great that the community supported this cat before the incident and knew that something was wrong when the cat didn't approach them. They really paid attention to Masha and were able to communicate with her, even if they don't speak the same language. Animals truly are amazing beings.